Unbox the Fanttik Nex E1 Max electric screwdriver with me. It says it's going to unleash potential and challenge limits. I think the box it comes in is actually really nice and sleek. And feels pretty hit quality. The box is actually pretty heavy for its size. So let's pop it open right there. Open it there. And what do we got? First thing I discover is the charging cable. USB-C charging cable, so that's nice. And on the other end, which maybe I should have opened this end first, if it'll even come out. There we go. So it's in a nice metal case. Pretty sturdy and solid, which I actually really like. We've got this sign that says pressing area. If you press, it just pops out all your bits, and you can slide the actual screwdriver right out the top. Does it come charged? It has a light. There you go. So you just switch this to the top. It's got locked, low, high, forward, and reverse. Pretty sleek there. And then in terms of tools, it comes with 50 different bits. So should be enough for any project you're working on. And it also comes with pry bars, so you don't have to worry about breaking nails or anything like that, and a little tweezer. If you'd like to pick one up, I've got it linked in the video for the TikTok shop, and let me know what you think about it.